Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Muhammad bin Uthman continues in his father's footsteps and also disguises himself as a butter seller. He manages to keep the Imam's existence secret from the Abbasi rulers until the early years of the reign of al-Muta'addid. The rulers have then started searching hard for the Imam and have killed countless believers with even the slightest resemblance to him. Spies are set up to probe the Khums network. Therefore, the Imam has issued an order for the Shias neither to take his name nor to show any Khums to anyone unless they're absolutely sure of the person they're talking to. In this scene, we shall witness one of the numerous miraculous acts completed by Muhammad bin Uthman through the order of our Imam. He requests Jafar bin Mathil, one of his associates in Baghdad, to help him fulfill his duty to the Imam.
Salamun alaikum Jafar.
Wa alaikum salam.
O Jafar, I have a request for you. Go to Wasit and take with you these pieces of cloth and this bag of money. When you reach Wasit, hand the bag and cloth to the first person you will meet.
I will leave for Wasit right away.
May you be in the protection of Allah.
Salamun alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
I am Jafar bin Matil and I have come from Baghdad by the order of Muhammad bin Uthman. Muhammad has requested me to hand these pieces of cloth and this bag with money to the first person I meet when I reach Wasit.
Alhamdulillah. O Jafar, a man by the name of Amiri has just died. I have just left the house to get a shroud for him. Look at this Jafar. Alhamdulillah. Muhammad has sent everything I needed to prepare for Amiri's burial. I needed some money and a shroud. The money in this bag is exactly the amount that is needed to cover all the expenses related to the funeral. This bag has everything I need for the funeral. O Allah, may your blessings be on our master, the Imam, the guide, the guided, the one established in authority by your command. O Jafar, come with me. Let us proceed with the funeral.
Muhammad served the Imam for 40 years. Before his demise, he followed the Imam's command regarding the next deputyship and designated Hussein bin Ruh as the next special representative. A man by the name of Jafar bin Madani relates that he used to take the goods that belonged to the Imam to Muhammad bin Uthman. However, one day, whilst he went to give 400 dinars to him, Muhammad bin Uthman asked him to go and deposit the money with a man by the name of Hussein bin Ruh. Surprised, Jafar asked him the reason why he did not accept it himself. Muhammad bin Uthman said,
Take it to Hussein. You should know that I have appointed him as my successor.
Jafar went on to ask if he had done so under the instructions of the Imam. He replied,
Yes.
Hence, Jafar took the money to Hussein, and from this time on, he always deposited the Imam's share with him.